So we will start our presentation with the background of the study. So in this study, we have to observe and record 30 times of rolling dice. After that, we calculate the probability of rolling an even number and an odd number using theoretical probability that we have learned. So here we have three objectives of this study. 1. To record outcome of 30 trial of rolling a dice. 2. To calculate the experimental probability and theoretical probability of rolling an even number. And last, to calculate the experimental probability and the theoretical probability rolling an odd number. So how about the significance of the study? The study is carried out with the aim to display that probability plays a big part in our daily life. Besides, it is an adjective in valuable knowledge for students to predict anything by applying probability formula in a real life event. So for our group assignment for STA150 is about rolling a dice, which is experiment 2. First, we should have a 6-sided dice with content number 1 until number 6 only. Secondly, roll the dice until the number is showing on top of it. After that, we record the result before completing the table to make it easier. Last but not least, we need to repeat the experiment 30 times and note the outcomes and complete the table.
Next, data analysis. For experiment 2, question A, write the exact sequence for odd and even numbers accurate in table 1 under outcomes. For outcome first, 9 frequency, outcome 2, 3 frequency, outcome 3, 6 frequency, outcome 4, 4 frequency, outcome 5, 6 frequency, outcome 6, 2 frequency. Question B. Find the experimental probability of rolling an even number. P even equal number of even number roll over number of experiment trials equal 3 plus 4 plus 2 over 30 equal 9 over 30. Question C. Find the theoretical probability of rolling an even number. P even equal number of favorable outcomes over number of possible outcomes equal 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. Question D. Find the experimental probability of rolling an odd number. P odd equal number of odd number roll over number of experiment trials equal 9 plus 6 plus 6 over 13 equal 21 over 30. Question E. Find the theoretical probability of rolling an odd number. P odd equal number of favorable outcomes over number of possible outcomes equal 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. Question F. What is the difference between experimental probability of rolling an even number and the theoretical probability of rolling an even number? Write answer as a percent rounded to the nearest whole percentage equal experimental probability of rolling an even number minus theoretical probability of rolling an even number equal 9 over 30 minus 1 over 2 multiplied with 100% equal negative 1 over 5 multiplied with 100% equal negative 20%. Question G. What is the difference between experimental probability of rolling an odd number and the theoretical probability of rolling an odd number? Right answer as a percent rounded to the nearest whole percentage equal experimental probability of rolling an odd number minus theoretical probability of rolling an odd number equal 21 over 30 minus 1 over 2 multiplied with 100% equal 1 over 5 multiplied with 100% equal 20%. Finally, conclusion for this experiment is the probability of receiving the number of a random variable x was different in each trial while doing the probability experiment. We can also know the difference between the experimental probability and the theoretical probability of a random variable. It is reasonable to state the probability plays an important role in the solution for a statistical problem.